Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on June 7, 2026. So on June 7th, we mentioned that from the weekly order block, there are chances that gold might rise. And as mentioned, from the area of the weekly order block, we have almost captured around 14,700 pips. If you look at the daily time frame or the weekly time frame chart, as you can see that market is currently in the weekly time frame order block and it is taking a support from the area in between 4,135 to 3,940. If you go to the daily time frame, you can see there is a buy candle which has been formed and it is trying to push the market towards the upside. Also, while checking deeply, you can see there is a trend line liquidity also being formed at this area. Like you can see that at this area, like from this areas, you can see that there are multiple tabs which is happening, which is a strong rejection area for the retailers. And if you see the support areas, you can see that we got around one tap, two tap, and usually it should come and tap on the trend line here as well. So this is how retailers check their charts. But for us, actually it is in the weekly order block. There are chances maybe gold can come down to take a tap over this area and again continue its rally towards the upside. But still, there are still chances that market can take proper support from this area and can go upside to the range of 5,000 range as well. So as you can see right now, we have lot of rejection zones in between all these areas, all these red areas. You can check the price over here. So in order to reach the range of 5,000, market should break all these rejection zones and after that it have to go to the 5,000 area. For long term, market should definitely reach the range of 5,000. But if you look at the short term ranges, market as we mentioned in the last week's video analysis and as we mentioned in our community, market is bullish as of now and it has given us some good amount of pips as well. Last week we are so grateful that we are able to capture around 1,477 pips and still we are waiting for the market to reach up to the range of 4,264. Before market reached at this area also, we mentioned that from here market would rise. From here also market is giving us a good move. Now what is going to happen next? So from this area, I'll tell you what are the chances. As it is a bullish flag which is forming over here. Also it is in the order block, 1 hour order block zone. There are chances that market can go up to the range of 4,264. There are chances that it can go above as well, but it is better to be safe at the range of 4,264. Or if you exit the market by 4,254 also, that is fine because you can be on the safe side because we have almost captured a good amount of profits from there. So this is the first chance that from here market can take proper support and it can go up to the range of 4,264. And from this range, we'll wait for the market to form some candles so that we can understand what is the market planning to do. So this is the first chance. The second chance is that if the market the fundamentals are negative, there are chances that from this area market can fall down and come to the area of 4,095 or 4,120 range, and from here definitely market will move upside to the range of like this. So this is also possible. So as of now, when you look at the news, like we can see lots of positive news happening, like US-Iran war news. Trump and Pakistan say Iran deal could be signed today. By Tehran signals more time is needed. Lots of positive news are coming. Like in multiple news channels we can see that Iran is an inch closer to the deal and all those things we can see. So this is a positive signal actually. So if everything goes well, but we can't be sure about this news is actually because today they'll say that the war is over, tomorrow they'll say that the war it is still going on. So we have been experiencing this since months. So it is better you look into both fundamentals and technical as well. So according to technicals, market is bullish till for the temporary basis, market is bullish till 4,264. In this chart also I have marked it. Like you can see that this is a fair value gap in between 4,277 to 4,362. These are all rejection zones. So what to do in this rejection zones? In this rejection zones, it is better to stay out of the market, or it is better to stop buying. Okay, so if you ask me if we can start selling, or if we can start taking selling trades, you shouldn't blindly go and take selling trades over here. We need to get proper signals for the sell entries actually, something like so. We need to get a pattern, something like this. Definitely we'll be sharing the updates in the group on what is going to happen in the coming 1 week. Like when the market is opening tomorrow, we'll get an insight. Anyhow, wait for the market to form upcoming move and upcoming candles as well, so that we can take proper decisions. So mostly market from this area can reach up to the range of 4,264, and from this range, if we are getting a proper rejection, if we are getting rejected from this area, a sharp movement, we can go for a sell. That we'll be updating in the group once the market is open. So now looking at the news of the coming week, we can see on Wednesday we have crude oil inventories, we have FOMC statements and all, so we need to be very careful at this while trading at this area. On Thursday we have initial jobless claims, and we have press conference as well. So in this Wednesday and Thursday, it is better, if you trade properly, there is nothing to worry. But if you are a person who is taking some extra risk, you need to be careful while taking extra risk in this area or in this time of news actually. So dear friends, congratulations to all the members who have taken good amount of profits last week. So happy and grateful to see all the profits. Entire team is in profit. So wishing you all the success for the coming 1 week. Also we are going to make a wonderful profits, no matter the market is high, if it is going up or if it is coming down, no matter what, we'll be making profits. Trade responsibly. Thank you so much guys, and all the best.